Today is the last day of the RTR. It is Sunday, and then we are going to be heading on to the slabs. I'm really excited. We're going to have a potluck tonight. One of my subscribers did donate a turkey, so we are cooking that tonight, which is awesome. Let's see what we can get into today.
Wait a minute. Cookies.
Awesome.
Yes, I got treats for Moo-moo too.
Do you? Thank you. I appreciate that. Good. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
So are you leaving?
Not yet. I'm gonna stay for the women's.
Oh, are you? We're having a little get together. If you're more than welcome to.
Oh, I might do that.
Yeah, it's probably around 6 o'clock tonight. So.
Well, I will come.
Okay. Well.
Yeah, I've been staying down the road, and I've got my little dog, my little Roy. He's the one that's the blind Chihuahua. He can't hear, but I've got a stroller, and I bought this van for him. I mean, when I bought it, it had 150,000 miles on it, but I can go. You know what I mean? I can't live out on the road, but I can travel and have fun.
Well, traveling, you know, that's what a lot of people, that's what people want to do is travel.
I get the best of both worlds because I still have a place that I can stay in at home, pay $200 a month for my utilities, taxes, and everything, and I can be on the road and take care of myself.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Good.
Very happy.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. If she had babies, do you know that you could get $1 million for these dogs? Can I pick you up? Come here. Yes. Oh, I get to love on the Moo-moo.
Aw, he seems so nervous but happy.
Well, you see, he can't see, so he can't hear, so like put him down in rocks, and I'm from Illinois, so he's used to grass. And
Aww.
Are you sit with Moo-moo in the chair? Get a good picture. Oh.
Stay, Moo-moo. Good girl, stay.
Look here, Roy. Look here. See, he can't hear, can't see, bless his heart.
Aww. Well, we are headed over to Ehrenberg, to the old campsite that we used to be. We only cleaned up a little bit of it. That was our area, but that road is over 1 mile long, and there are several campsites there that are really dirty and disgusting, so that's what we're getting ready to do, is clean up. So this is the second day of the bagging, and they're bagging everything up, and they're going to haul it off today. Well, here's some of the trash that we're gonna haul off. Here is more junk. There was a lot of stuff down there, but that's been all cleaned up. All right, so they're gonna load everything up into the trucks and take it to the dump. Get it, sir, get it.
It's not heavy enough, I don't think.
Do we want to?
Let's put that on the side.
Good job, everybody. First load done. So there are more piles along both sides of the roads where they've cleaned up the campsite. So we're just going to drive down there and see if we can pick up some of the stuff.
Talking?
Yeah, go down this street first, and then, or this road, and hold on, let me get in. All right, grab that side, I'll go this side. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I got this side.
Okay. Oh.
That'll hold it down, too.
So yeah, they're just piles of bags and stuff. This is our, what is this, like the third load or fourth load?
Yep.
So yeah, we're almost like completely packed full, as you can see behind me right there. Oh, one more pile, and I think that's it for this road, huh?
Looks like it.
Ooh,
Looks like
God,
that's
there's
it
a
for
lot
this
of
road.
like metal and stuff. We gotta be careful with
Another
this.
truck. Lighter than it looks.
Just careful with these bags, they're heavy.
And metal. As I say, and metal, and I stab myself.
Yeah. Don't want to do that.
Right now. Careful.
Over the top. Don't watch the camera, watch the truck.
Right,
Set it down.
okay. Hold on. Can somebody grab it from this side?
Watch the camera, it's there.
Hold on, I'm grabbing it. Another truck has come. As we're kind of full.
If we had a ratchet strap, we could strap that down, we'd be great.
Yeah.
What's that?
If we had a ratchet strap, we could strap that down, we'd be great.
Some of the stuff.
Yeah.
There's another truck coming, so this road is completely clean.
Jen should be back at camp so she knows where the rest of the piles are.
Yeah, she said they're all the way down that road.
All right, let's do it.
All right, we're heading that way.
Hey, let me get my camera.
I'll grab it. Yeah?
I don't need gloves. I'm a man.
Yeah, me too, but don't get tetanus.
Free gloves! Yay, put gloves on.
Hey, you gave me one red one.
She said you'll see Johnny a little bit away down. We're going down there.
All right. What you get large gloves on extra large hands, and they're like freaking tiny. Holy crud.
They'll work. Hey, Willow.
Hi, Sean. When you can give her a hug and a kiss, but I can't, so I'll give it to you.
Smoochy smoochies. She appreciates it. She'll take it too. Bye.
We'll be
I'm
back.
gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you too. Remember, yeah, this will be our last day. This is the last day at the RTR. And then we're gonna be heading to the slabs tomorrow. Ooh, we gotta get this done. And then we're gonna have a potluck tonight for everybody too. All right.
We're back here.
Oh, they already got this
All right,
one?
so let's
Okay,
keep going.
cool.
There's some down. There's another pile down that way a little bit more.
All right.
Awesome.
Let's keep moving. Just keep an eye on the time. We're gonna have to be
that's
leaving
my-
soon
that's my
because the dump
Amazon
closes at 2:30.
In here with Linda.
All right. Okay.
This is it.
think we're good to go.
Seat belt.
Up there's more. You think they got all that down there? We just passed another campsite, but 2 trucks were already there, so we bypassed that and we're gonna see if there's anything further down the road. Might have to lift that chair or lift the back up. Yeah,
Okay,
he's got
space, so
we'll
we
just
won't
do
run.
that. Okay.
We'll shove some more bags in here.
Good job, y'all. So we had to back up a little bit so these vehicles could get out. Wow, that's a big one. Look at that big bus back there.
I wonder what I got back there.
That is a huge, huge bus. Hey, y'all. Yeah, that's awesome. Wow, they're brave getting on this small road. I wonder how they turned around. Yep, both on, ready to go. Hello? Don't go too fast. There's some more trash. Yep. Ew. Ugh. Oh my god, that's like sand. Ugh.
I got your camera, Seth. As long as the tailgate closes, I'm good.
Should close.
Yeah.
I know, that's what I just picked up. It was really dusty.
Seth, did you
Or
get a
sandy.
mouthful?
Sorry, man.
How's that feel, Seth?
All right, when we get back there,
Crunchy.
This is at 2:30. It's 2:05.
So I think that's it. We got it all. Good job, yeah. We gotta go to the dump. It closes at 2:30. Time to get going. All right, let's go.
I'm sorry, that was funny. We got to get to the dump. It's already 2:05, and it closes at 2:30.
Yeah.
Who's the Moo-moo? You're the cute Moo-moo. All right, everybody. So we have Jen here from freecampsites.net and also Seth from Nomad Everywhere. And do you want to tell us a little bit about what's going on here?
So we just did a cleanup of the Ehrenberg area. We gathered about 40 bags of trash and quite a few large items. We've had some great people come out to make that happen. We had some other great people come out and load it up into the back of their trucks. About 4 truckloads of trash are being hauled off and disposed of properly.
We interfaced with the BLM and the county sheriffs, and we have their blessing. They love that we're doing this out here. They've been a little bit overextended this year in terms of the number of people that came, and they're really happy that we're getting years worth of trash out here that has been sitting for quite a while.
Right, and this is going to be an annual thing. This is our first time doing this. I'll probably try to put on some more throughout the year, but we're going to be doing it every year out here in the Southwest. So I hope that you guys will join us next time.
Where can they contact you if they want to
This is
volunteer?
being put on by freecampsites.net. We have currently, there's a group called Southwest Campsite Cleanup on Facebook, that you can join, or you can email at cleanup@freecampsites.net.
Now which way do we go is the question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing off our balance? We're trying to find ourselves without the defining words. We can no longer.
Oh my God, that truck was like piled full, and that was the second one we just passed. They had tons of just crap everywhere. Actually, the first one we passed, there was like
An SUV.
and also, what was it? No, it was a box truck, and the door was open, and a car was hanging halfway out with another car towed behind it. It was quite weird.
I'm Jackie. And I'm Jacob. Onward Bound. Onward Bound.
Awesome.